औरत जो है ना रेनबो की तरह होती है, जितने रंग उतने रूप.
Hi, this is Tushar and you're watching IndiaGlitz.com. I was in Las Vegas last year for a short vacation where I got a call from Balaji Motion Pictures that Milan Luthria was interested in casting me for one of the characters of the Dirty Picture. And that's when my journey with this film began, because I was very excited and therefore I came back and got in touch with him, and that's how I landed this film.
किसी को लगती है लॉटरी की तरह, लग गई तो किस्मत खुल जाती है.
पब्लिक देखती है, दुकान नहीं. और वैसे भी जब शराफत के कपड़े उतरते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा मजा शरीफों को ही आता है.
His name is not Ramakant Desai. He's, as far as I know, he's just Ramakant, and he's a writer who's unsuccessful at first, but he gains a lot of confidence in love and becomes an accomplished writer. So it's a very colorful character with lots of shades to his personality that keep getting explored and discovered as he gets more and more in love with Silk, played by Vidya Balan. So the character and his relationship with Silk is, I think, one of the interesting parts of this film. Yes, I think because of the wig and the mustache, even though it's not based on his look, it reminds people of him, because I think I look like him at times, and therefore that resemblance is bound to happen. I think it was brilliant. It was relaxed, very chilled out. We were in Ramoji Film City, which is a very boring place, but when you're working with good people, you don't mind the place. And I think I had a lot of time to myself, because there were lots of days when there was a Telangana crisis happening at that time. So I got a lot of time to sleep in my room, the Cleopatra room. The thorough gentleman, he, I think, has an amazing aesthetic sense. His sense of aesthetics is brilliant. His sense of detail is brilliant. And he knows how to get good performances out of his actors without stressing them out, without making them feel nervous. You know, he has that calming effect on his actors.
मुझे तो चढ़ी जहर की तरह कि अब पानी भी पीता हूँ ना तो आग लग जाती है.
I love working with her. She's absolute delight to work with. Very positive, very chilled out, very down to earth. But how we look on screen, that you decide. My first shot with her was I'm actually kneeling down and talking to her, and she says that जो मुझे चाहिए वो सिर्फ रात में possible हो सकता है. And I'm like, रात में क्यों, अभी क्यों नहीं? That is Silk होना.
हो गई तो जान अटक जाती है.
मुझे जो चाहिए उसका सिर्फ कोई आता है.
I remember watching Hum Panch and I remember seeing her in it, but I haven't seen too many episodes with her in it because she came in the later part. But she has had a journey with Balaji. I'm really happy to be working with her. She's younger than me, but she's gained a lot of name and fame because of her talent. And I think this film is going to add another feather to her cap. Well, I didn't lift her, I had to support her. And it's not because she's heavy or anything like that, but because the angle was not right, so we had to keep perfecting it, and that's why doing it 150 times during the photo shoot was very tiring. And that's because the photographer was not getting his shot, not because she's heavy. Naseer Bhai, he's an institution in himself, but I never felt like I'm working with a very big actor because he was really cool and really easygoing. Imran I've worked with before, and like in Good Boy Bad Boy, even here I think he has this very calm approach towards the way he comes on set and interacts with everybody. He's not somebody who's loud and over the top. He's kind of chilled out. He keeps to himself, and I was quite relaxed working with all the people in this film. I love my character. I like the way it changes, and I like the shades to his personality that keep coming up every now and then. Something that happens to him and the changes that take place in his life. You guys decide, see the film and decide how good you like the role and how good you like my performance. Well, I just like to tell them that, you know, on December 2nd, a very, very fun, dirty, interesting, dramatic, emotional film is coming, and it's called The Dirty Picture. So go check it out.
ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, तू है मेरी fantasy.
छोटा